All right, so I was initially tasked with giving you all a summer get ready with me, but unfortunately, this is my current weather. I was gonna be poolside on my cabana in a cute little blue bathing suit, and I was gonna give y'all some summer-proof makeup looks. Which brings me to my next point, or shall I say point of contention. Oh, that is a twist, not a pool. I moved to Los Angeles from the Bay Area, and I'm starting to take this LA weather a little personally. How do you figure I move here from the Bay Area, hoping for high tides and good vibes, and then I get here and out of nowhere it decides it wants to be rainy and cold, and I'm starting to believe that I brought the weather from the Bay Area to Los Angeles, so I humbly apologize. And at first I didn't think anything of it. I thought, okay, bad weather here and there, no big deal. But then everyone was like, we haven't seen this kind of weather in Los Angeles for 15 years. And I'm very aware that the universe does not revolve around me, but it's a little bit too much of a coincidence, sis. Summer might not be showing up, but these milk products, let me tell ya, you'll love a multi-use moment. You know what, this is a summer look, so we're gonna do that thing that people do right in here. And then of course we just set it all with the Hydro Grip spray. Okay, and there's your simple, long-lasting summer look, should summer decide, I don't know, maybe to show up sometime.